Hello everyone. Today I will tell you what happened in the world on April 13th. Tropical Storm Agaton weakened a bit ahead of its second landfall in the Philippines late Sunday evening, April 10th, though it continued to bring heavy rain to some areas in the Visayas and Luzon. The tropical storm's maximum sustained winds decreased from 75 km per hour to 65 km per hour late Sunday evening, while its gustiness went down from 105 km per hour to 90 km per hour. The city of Wuhan in central China was hit by a powerful hurricane with heavy rain. According to local residents, the wind is so strong that it knocks passers-by to the ground and rips off roofs from houses. Residents hid from the elements in houses and shopping centers. Some residents filmed what was happening on video and posted it on social networks. The city was covered with black clouds, which practically engulfed the city. The hurricane has been compared to being attacked by a huge evil monster, probably referring to the Godzilla movies. No casualties have been reported at the moment. Flooding in Durban, South Africa was caused by heavy rains that did not subside for more than 10 days. It happened in the coastal province of KwaZulu-Natal, where many people still have not moved away from the elements. Some in the city of Durban stand on rooftops waiting for help, but local media reports that only one helicopter is available to evacuate people. The main roads of the city are blocked, and landslides have destroyed many houses. More rain is expected in southern KwaZulu-Natal on Tuesday, according to the South African Weather Service, which advises citizens to stay away from flooded roads and bridges. Major highways connecting South Africa's largest port to the commercial hub of Johannesburg and its east coast have been closed due to severe flooding. Heavy rain triggered deadly flooding and landslides near the Brazilian city of Rio de Janeiro on Tuesday, and meteorologists are warning that more rounds of heavy rain can affect the area later this week. At least 44 were killed and hundreds of others left displaced by the flooding and landslides in Petrópolis, according. Petrópolis is a city and a large tourist area located in a mountainous region about 25 miles, 40 kilometers, to the north of Rio de Janeiro. The city was deluged by heavy rain on Tuesday, with a little over 10 inches, 258 millimeters, falling within a 3-hour period, according. More than 180 soldiers were deployed to the area, and additional specialized search teams were expected to arrive Wednesday. After affecting everyday life in Karachi, Pakistan, a massive dust storm headed towards Gujarat and South Rajasthan and may continue to have an effect till the next 12 hours. Karachi was caught off guard on Saturday morning when a dust storm from West Pakistan disturbed everyday life, with visibility reduced to less than or about 500 meters. Dust storm or dust-raising winds in association with surface winds at a wind speed of 30 to 40 km/h gusting to 50 km/h, is likely over many places of Saurashtra and Kutch, and at isolated places over adjoining Gujarat region and South Rajasthan. Argentina's Bariloche sends plume of smoke into the sky as fires rage. Some 250 firefighters and national park employees battled blazes in Argentina's Patagonia region, which have destroyed thousands of hectares of forest, authorities said. Some of the fires are as much as 300 kilometers apart. No casualties have been reported so far since Friday. Argentina's Environment Ministry said the firefighting effort was complicated by difficult terrain, distances between blazes, wind, high temperatures, and dry vegetation in the midst of a drought.